Now, this is where our solution comes in. This is the exact problem that we have been trying to solve. For example, um, finding files which are not meticulously organized. So it's not just under File Manager. It's an AI powered search engine for your personal file, which runs on your local machine or your Android. So instead of just looking at file names, this application uses an on device machine learning to read the content of your documents. And for the images, it performs an optical character recognition that parses the text from the images. It also parses text from PDFs and Word documents and Excel and so on. And it creates a private, powerful, and searchable index of all these contents. Now, after the content has been created, when you search for coffee, the app instantly shows you all the different single document that has this word. It transforms all this content from a simple storage into a personal, queryable knowledge base on which you can run filters. This app also allows you to run filters after converting all this content into queryable knowledge base. But simply having an idea isn't enough. We already have so much search option in Android and different phones. So how is this different? That's where we kept three core principles or pillars in focus to make sure it's different. First, it's very privacy focused. This is our most important feature. The AI processing of all text recognition happens securely on your device. Nothing goes outside of your device, not on internet, nowhere. No files are ever uploaded to a server. In this age, when users are rightly concerned about data privacy, this is critical trust factor, especially for sensitive business or your personal documents. The second important thing which we kept in mind was support multi-format. So this app is versatile. It looks through images, PDFs, Word documents, Excels, majority of text-heavy information, whatever is there. It can search through all of that. And third is user-controlled scope. So we will discuss this in detail later. But from users' perspective, this is powerful feature because it allows them to have control. The app does not demand and access your entire phone or all the folders. You can decide which folders the app is allowed to see and which it does not have access to. This means you're always in control of your data.